National income accounting refers to all the methods which we are using for the estimation of national income. And there are three types of methods for the estimation of national income: value added method, income method, and third is expenditure method. We have discussed about value added method and income method in my previous videos, and in this video I will tell you about expenditure method. So let me tell you that with the help of expenditure method we will estimate national income in terms of GDP at market price, or it can be estimated in the term of NDP at market price. The gross and the net value depends on the component which we will take to estimate income with the help of this method. Okay, let me explain what we have to take under this method. First one which you have to use, the term is government final consumption expenditures. Government's all kind of expenditures which are considered as final expenditure, that should be included in this method. Other thing is private final consumption expenditures, and the next term on which the gross value of income or the net value of income will be estimated by this method depends. Okay, this is the domestic capital formation. The domestic capital formation, if this term is given in term of gross value, in that condition the estimated national income will be calculated in the term of GDP MP. But the domestic capital formation will be given in the term of net value. In that case, the estimated national income will be in term of NDP at MP. And the fourth term which is remaining, that is net exports. Net exports means the difference of exports and imports, export minus import. This is net export. So this is the formula to calculate national income by using expenditure method. Okay, once again I am telling you that with the help of expenditure method, the national income can be calculated in term of GDP MP or NDP MP. The gross value or net value depends on the domestic capital formation. If the domestic capital formation is given in term of gross value, then the national income will be GDP at MP. And if the domestic capital formation will given in term of net, is given in term of net, in that condition we will get the national income in term of NDP MP. The other thing is, I have written the formula by using abbreviations like GDP MP. How to calculate with the help of expenditure? Government final consumption expenditure plus private final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports, and net exports are equal to export minus import, or NDP MP, net domestic productivity at market price. It can be estimated by government final consumption expenditure plus private final consumption expenditure plus net domestic capital formation plus net exports. Few things we have to keep in our mind while estimating national income. That sometime domestic capital formation is not mentioned in the question. Instead of this term, we will get the fixed capital formation, or sometime change in stock may be given or may not be given. If the change in stock is given, in that condition we have to add all both these terms, fixed capital formation plus change in stock. And if change in stock is not given, it means it will be considered as 0. Okay. So once again I am telling you that fixed capital formation plus change in stock will give us the domestic capital formation in the economy. Next thing to be keep in our mind, that net exports are given in term of export minus import, and this term will be added to the equation or to the formula. But if net exports are not mentioned and we have net imports are imports minus exports. If the term is given in term of net imports, then this term will be subtracted. Okay, this term will be subtracted from the formula.